Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ruby and today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to be showing you the top things I've been obsessed with over the last few months, specifically summer. So hopefully I get you onto some cool things. I don't know, you get to be nosy, I guess. There's literally things from makeup, clothing, toiletries, self-care, books, everything. Like, sit down, get some popcorn because I'm about to get you onto some lit things. Oh my god. Now guys, this addition to my favorites video should not be a surprise. My Frank Green bottle. Oh my goodness, I don't go anywhere without this thing. Francine over here is literally the biggest slay ever, and I don't tolerate straw haters because in the end it's my germs touching my straw. Like, who thinks about that? I don't think about that. Just drink it. One thing I will say though is that I feel like it doesn't keep my water that cold. Like, I think it just looks really cute. And I did break the lid. And they have great customer service, so they replaced it for me. So that's a win. It was a great Christmas present. The Charlotte Tilbury contour stick was one of my birthday presents. And oh my goodness, it lives up to the hype. This thing is unreal. I have it on right now and I legit just look like I have a full face of makeup on. It is unreal. In saying that, this bitch over here exploded on the airplane and now I'm convinced that I have like no product left in here because there was so much, like legit like product just oozing out of it. So we're gonna find out. I did manage to shut it this time. I've just shut it so that no product comes out of it, but yeah, this is unreal. Like, it looks so good on the skin. It just goes on so naturally and so blendable. Other than the exploding nature of it, I love it. Okay, my life changed because of this birthday present that I received. I'm obsessed with it. I'm so grateful for it and it's literally changed my life. But Sony headphones. These are the Sony 4s. I've got the silver color, so as you can see it's like a dark grey, but it looks different in every single type of lighting. But when I wore it in Sydney, like airport, I got so many compliments on them. Like, look how cute they are. They're literally unreal. I'm obsessed with them. I love the color. They're so comfortable and I love the fact that they're adjustable, but also that at its tightest it like hugs your head. Because like I tried on some Bose ones and they had like a gap up the top. The color was so pretty, but oh my hair. They had like this awkward gap and it just made my head look 100 times bigger than it is. So these are epic. And the noise cancelling, oh my god. I wore these on the plane the other day when I was going back and forth from Sydney. I don't think I can go on a plane without noise cancelling headphones. There ain't no way. Like this, like if this doesn't come on the plane with me, I think I'll cry from now on. They are literally worth every cent. The only thing is that they fall off when I bench press. I've never heard so much silence in my life. It makes me think there's actually something wrong with me. Like, it's so quiet to even like think. You know what saved me at BTV? And like I always saw people, you know, post photos with them and like I was always like, oh my god, that looks so cool, it looks so festival-y, but like I never thought I would have one. Wow, this thing is just wow. I bought this fan from, you know, those shops that are just in like your local shops, like the little $2 shop type things. I bought fans for me and the girls for BTV. Oh my goodness, it's like the best thing ever. I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna take it with me in Thailand because she's epic. I feel like I can probably buy one from Thailand, a really nice one, but yeah. If you don't have a fan and you're a festival person, then what are you doing with your life? Because these are epic. Next up is something that all my girlfriends recommended to me and I was like, I don't think so, like my oily skin says no. But my god, the Morphe skin tint, it's like, well, it was like $28 at my car. I don't know how much it is now, but this is unreal. Like the finish on me, it literally looks like my NARS Natural Radiance. This is literally the best thing ever. I'm obsessed with it. This is my weekday / work makeup. It's literally unreal. As someone with oily skin though, I do need to use a lot of powder to set it. So squishy. Squishmallows. Oh my goodness. I cleared my bed, but there's still one there. My little pineapple Maui. But I literally have like... I have like 7 squishmallows. But we've got over here... Is this Bethany? Yeah, Bethany. I didn't take off the tag. But these are so freaking cute and squishy. And I take Laura, who's in my suitcase at the moment. Laura everywhere. I have one at my grandma's house too. Like... I can't sleep without a squishmallow now. Okay, this is like super random, but so helpful. My goodness, if I didn't have this, I literally would not wear sandals. The Dermal Therapy Heel Balm. Oh my god. This, I used it like 3-4 times and my heels looked so good. I was like, what the heck? I was like, you're telling me I've just been living with like cracked feet for this long? This has changed my life. If there is something that you're gonna buy from this today, make it this. Make it this heel balm, because it is, if you know me well, this will come as no surprise, but Armani C. I bought this bottle, I'd say before Bali. I started using this one probably around Christmas time. It's literally unreal how much of this I go through. Like, I started using different perfumes, so I wasn't just using this and running out of Armani C. Because if I was just using Armani C, this bottle would also be empty. This is the best perfume ever. That's all. If you haven't tried it, I recommend you try it. Okay, one thing I've been obsessed with over the last few months, specifically since when I went to Bali, because I bought these legit like 2 days before I went to Bali. Glassen skirts. Oh my god. So, this skirt here is just their parachute skirt. Now, this one came into stock and then never came back into stock. Kind of random. But it is literally so freaking comfy. I wear it everywhere. Like... This in Bali, I did not take this off. Still sticking to the theme of Glassen skirts is the cargo skirts. You guys would have seen these everywhere. This is probably freaking filthy. Anyway. Yeah, so I've got this one in beige and this black color. Black. In black. These are unreal and they're so comfortable because like it's like stretchy, so like I can just wear a size 6 comfortably. The only thing is that they're super short, as you can see. It's like the size of my head. Well, not really, but it's short. These are really cute and they go with pretty much everything. Just like what feels like every other girl in freaking Australia, I have been obsessed with Colleen Hoover. Oh my god, I literally just bought another one today. I bought all Your Perfects or something. But November 9 was amazing. Verity was unreal. It Ends With Us. Ugly Love was my favorite. But yeah, Colleen Hoover, if you haven't given it a go, I honestly think you should just try. Because it's great. All summer, what I've been munching on is these. These Eclipse mints are unreal. They're so good. This is a strawberry and I've had the grape before and the grape's really nice, but I feel like it's borderline a bit too sweet. But like I sit there and I eat these like for fun. Like I'd hate to know how much sugar is in them. If there was a no sugar version, I would literally just never stop eating. But they're just so good. And they smell so good. Oh my god. I feel like I just cleared my nose. These, ask anyone. They've been in my bag everywhere I go lately. Another product that I've been obsessed with this summer is the Aromatology Aromatherapy Diffuser. I actually can't remember the name. I don't have the box near me, but it is the Aromatology Diffuser. Oh my goodness, I have a few of the diffuser oils. I did collab with them, but I've been using this every single night. Every night. Specifically for Go to Sleep diffuser oil. I keep them in the packets, okay? Because I'm trying to be organized. But this oil helps me go to sleep. Like I put it in and like I turn on my diffuser and she's gone. Like a light. But yeah, I have a few of those and I just kind of rotate, but I mostly just stick to the sleep one and I'm obsessed. It is so good. I have been a long time fan of this makeup product. I recently got a new one for Christmas. The Benefit Benetint. This is the most natural looking blush I've ever used in my entire life. It is stunning. Like, I love liquid blush. I legit use this pretty much every day. I have it on right now, but I literally use this 24/7. Like, if I don't have makeup on, like not even eyebrows, I will have this on. I'm literally obsessed with this. It is amazing. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. Another clothing item, these tank tops are from White Fox. I think they're like the Move On Up or Move something tank tops, but they are literally amazing. I've been wearing them all summer because it hasn't been super warm summer, so I like to have either my back higher up or my chest or just something more covered, you know, to keep me nice and warm. But this tank top is unreal. I've got it in like 4 different colors, but it's got like this lining on the inside which makes the fabric quite thick. And if you look at it, it's so good. I feel like it's so in trend and looks so sleek. She's really stylish and super clean vibes. I really love it. I recommend these tops, t-shirts, tanks so highly. Ruby XO to save 15% off. Enough said. I feel like I don't need to elaborate on this one. They're just lit for festivals. Something else I've been obsessed with, if you can't tell, it's kind of on me right now. Kind of, I don't know if it makes sense, but stick. Well, this isn't, well it is. This is from Schwarzkopf. Got to be. I got this from like a PR event for Chemist Warehouse. And I picked it up and I was like, oh, like I don't really stick back my hair because I used to be like anti-ears sticking out. But now I literally use this like all the time. She doesn't leave my bag, to be honest. It's just so good. Just keeps me looking nice and clean. Clean Gal aesthetic, supported by Slick Sticks. Something else I'm obsessed with, also low-key on me right now, is the new Elite 11 sets. I'm wearing one right now. This is in lilac, but over here I just grabbed one out because I didn't realize I was gonna be wearing this when I did this. But this blue color, powder blue. So we've got the top and we've got the curved shorts, which are actually the same shorts as what I'm wearing right now, but they are stunning. This is such an unreal collection. The colors are beautiful and low-key, like I'm wearing the lilac right now, which like generally like pastel activewear, everyone knows it, it's like low-key see-through. Like no, it's not see-through. Obviously don't wear black underwear, like black full brief underwear, but a nude G-string and I can't see it, so slay. I recently just bought this product and I love it. I've been using it nearly every single day. The Kosas eyebrow gel is unreal. I love her. She just, the color matches my eyebrow product perfectly, probably because I use Kosas as well. But it literally just shapes my eyebrows so nicely. It looks so natural. It stays on. I love it. Something else I've been wearing all summer, which is kind of random because I feel like it's not super summery, but it is quite festival-y. Parachute pants. I've been wearing these everywhere. They've not been coming off my body. I've got a pair from Glassons in white. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it. They're stunning. I'm obsessed with them. These are from White Fox. White Fox are my favorite parachute pants. They are just perfect. They're light. They're not that heavy parachute material. They're actual parachute material. They're good length. Everything about it's just really good. Everyone's different when it comes to pants, but for me personally, the White Fox ones work my best. I'm not going to elaborate on this one, but these pouches from Kmart, there's something in there. I'm not about to tell you what it is. Think as you will. But these pouches, beautiful. I am going to put you onto something that is unreal. I was given this product to make a TikTok with it, like an ad. And when I got it, I was like, okay, what's the hype? And I put it on. Oh my god. The hype. If you don't have this, you need to walk yourself over to wherever sells it. I filmed this TikTok a few weeks ago, so I can't remember where they sell it, but I think they've got it at like Priceline and Coles and stuff. MCO Beauty. First of all, MCO Beauty in general is unreal. Everything's like under $40, vegan, cruelty free, and such good quality. Like unreal quality. This lip balm is a dupe for the Laneige lip balm, and literally it is unreal. This is the Glow lip balm in Apple. I think it's like $12 or $10 or something. Look how shiny. I let's forget to look, and plump. What is that? Look how shiny. Look at that gloss. It's literally unreal. Like this is in my bag all the time, and I genuinely might go buy a few of these because I love them. Before I went to Bali, I was like, I need a new bag. Like I need something close by and compact, and I kept seeing people post like the Lululemon bags, and they're in Europe, and everyone's like, it's ruining your aesthetic. Right, anyway, so I bought this bag from Poppy Lissaman because I'm a poppy girl at heart. How cute. I took it with me to Bali, and I took it with me to BTB. Actually, it did not come off me. She's coming with me to Thailand, and I'm so excited to wear it again. I feel like it doesn't really suit my Melbourne vibe as much, but like my holiday vibe, adventure vibe, it does. It genuinely fits like so much in there. It's unreal. Like poppy bags have so much storage. Like they're on level with the Naked Vice Hunter bags. It's insane how much storage is in here. I just dropped like 10 mints out of this bag. I'm actually so feral. That's disgusting. Also me. Putting them back. My skin last year, I don't know if you guys remember, or maybe like, it's not really a remember thing. Like I feel like if you go through my old vlogs, you'll be able to tell that my skin now is so much better than what it used to be. And that is thanks to the La Roche-Posay Everclear cleanser. This is worth every cent. If you see this on sale, I buy it on sale. If you see it on sale, you just buy it. This is literally the best thing I've ever used in my life. It saved my skin. It dried it out at first, but after a while, like it genuinely, like my skin's just so much better, and it feels so clean after I use this. Highly recommend. Another thing I've been so freaking obsessed with is this portable charger. I literally have the packet somewhere on my floor. My room, if you can see my room right now, like I have to clean this room today before I leave, because if I come back from my holiday and my room looks like what it looks like now, I will have a genuine crisis, like a literal meltdown. Like I will stand there and cry. Okay, this portable charger came out of this box. So it is the Cynet 10,000 mAh power bank with super fast 20-watt charging. It is unreal. It charges so fast. Everyone that's used it has been like, wow, that is so good. I'm like, yeah, it is. She's perfect. I'm sure that there is 110,000 different things that I could have shown you guys today. And I'm sure that I'm going to be lying in bed today and I'm going to be like, oh my god, I should have included this in the video. But for now, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got some inspo, or maybe you found out about products you know about, or found out more about products that you've been interested in. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more of these. Maybe we can make it a monthly thing or a seasonal thing. Let me know and we can make that work. But I love you guys. Have the best day ever, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you know when I upload, and I will see you guys probably next week. See ya!